Welcome to Minds of Future, your sanctuary for inspiration and transformation. Today we celebrate the essence of well-being with yoga as International Yoga Day approaches on the 21st of June. Let's embark on a journey to discover the harmony of body and mind through the ancient art of yoga. Yoga, a practice that dates back thousands of years, is more than just physical exercise. It's a discipline that unites the body, mind and spirit, leading to a state of peace and balance. But what exactly does yoga do for us? Imagine your body as a river. Yoga is the current that flows, ensuring flexibility and strength. With each pose, you're bending not just your body but also your will, shaping yourself into a vessel of resilience. Daily yoga improves flexibility, reduces stress, and enhances cardiovascular health. Yoga is not a race, it's a journey where each breath guides you closer to inner tranquility. As you inhale and exhale, you're not just breathing air, you're inhaling confidence and exhaling doubt. Mental clarity and reduced anxiety are gifts of regular practice. But why should we step onto the mat every day? Because yoga is the whisper of the morning and the calm of the night. It's the energy that fuels our dreams and the peace that we seek in chaos. It's not just about touching your toes, it's about what you learn on the way down. Yet many of us hesitate. I'm not flexible enough, I don't have the time, or I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. These are the echoes of doubt, the barriers we build. But remember, yoga is for everyone. It's not about perfection, it's about progression. So as we approach International Yoga Day, let's make a pledge to embrace the stretches and the strength, the breaths and the balance. Let's make yoga a part of our daily lives, not just for our bodies, but for our minds and souls. Starting your yoga journey can be exciting and empowering. Here are some beginner-friendly yoga poses that are perfect for easing into the practice. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. This foundational pose improves posture, balance, and body awareness. It strengthens the legs, core, and back muscles. Downward dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. It stretches the entire body, particularly the hamstrings, calves, and spine. It also strengthens the arms and legs, calms the mind, and improves circulation. Warrior I, Virabhadrasana. This pose strengthens and stretches the legs and buttocks, the front of the hips and shins. It also benefits the upper body by stretching and strengthening the shoulders and arms. Warrior II, Virabhadrasana II. It enhances core strength, including the abs and back muscles, as well as the hip flexors, gluteal muscles, inner thigh and ankle of the bent leg. It also stretches the chest and shoulders and increases endurance. 5. Tree pose, Vaksasana. Tree pose improves balance, posture and body awareness. It strengthens the core, shoulders and lats and promotes mental well-being. 6. Child's pose, Balasana. This restorative pose opens the hips, lengthens the spine, stretches the ankles, relaxes back muscles, relieves tension in the pelvis and increases blood flow to the head and neck. 7. Cat-cow stretch, Chakravakasana. It improves spinal flexibility and mobility, stretches the back, hips and abdomen, relieves tension and stress in the spine and neck and helps improve posture and alignment. 8. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Cobra pose stretches the abdomen and strengthens the muscles around the shoulders, arms and back. It can improve posture, reduce back pain and enhance mood. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. This pose stretches the back muscles, hips and hamstrings. It relieves stress and fatigue, increases flexibility in the spine, and calms both body and mind for inner peace. 10. Bridge pose, Setubandha Sarvangasana. It strengthens the back muscles, stretches the chest, neck and spine, calms the brain, reducing anxiety, stress and depression, and opens up the lungs. It's also helpful for digestion and relieving symptoms of menopause and menstrual pain. These poses offer a range of physical and mental benefits that can enhance your overall well-being when practiced regularly. Thank you for joining Minds of Future. Stay tuned for more content that empowers and enlightens.